my name's Sid. I'm an IMT doctor, IMT2 at Royal Brompton Hospital, and I was previously at Harefield in West Middlesex. Today I'm attending the FUSIC Heart course. I heard very good things about it. It's one of the first ones that comes up when you type it into Google, and my colleague and friend, who's also an IMT at Royal Brompton, said, "Would you like to come along onto the course?" And I said, "Yeah, absolutely." And he spoke very highly of this course. So here I am. I think the hybrid nature of it, so it wasn't all lectures. It was a face-to-face session where we had materials beforehand that we could review at our own pace, and some very useful videos. And then when we came into the session, we were told quite early on that this is going to be a very practical session. So a little bit of explanation to set us up, very easily divided days into what FUSIC Heart actually wants of us, and then just a run through practical aspect of echocardiography.